guys, we standing here in the line for the past 20 minutes or 10 minutes rather, and I think the ropeway is not open yet. So हम लोग पूरा लाइन में खड़े हैं अभी. एक बार खुल जाएगा, then we'll go. So now on Ginnar mountain there are two temples. One is देवी का टेम्पल and second दत्त भगवान का टेम्पल दूसरा. तो फिर जहाँ तक देवी का टेम्पल है वहाँ तक रोपवे जाता है. उसके बाद और स्टेप्स है, वहाँ पे पैदल ही जाना पड़ेगा. तो एक बार खुल जाए देन विल गो. फर्स्ट गाइज, रोपवे क्लोजेज एट 5:30 PM. तो अगर आपको यू कम और टू जूनागढ़ लेट और अगर आपको शाम में जाना है तो 5:30 बजे तक रोपवे होता है. सेकेंड, try to do online booking because the line for online booking is different and then the line is very less, like hardly there any people. तो तुरंत जाके आप तुरंत जा सकते हो. तो हम लोगों ने ऑनलाइन बुकिंग नहीं किया था क्योंकि हम लोगों ने सोचा था ट्रैक करेंगे, एक सीढ़ियाँ चढ़ेंगे, इसलिए नहीं किया था. बट उसमें काफ़ी टाइम लग जाता था, इसलिए हम लोगों ने ट्रैक नहीं किया और ऐसे आए हुए. सो या ऑनलाइन करना सबसे बेटर है. और ये रोपवे अंबाजी का मंदिर है ना, देवी का मंदिर है, वहीं तक जाता है. आफ्टर दैट यू हैव टू टेक द स्टेयर्स दत्त भगवान के मंदिर के लिए. सो 4000 रोपवे के बाद और 4000 चढ़ना ही है. So it's quite a walk. So guys, selfie sticks are banned. Even the GoPro tripod. I have a GoPro. So the tripod also, he said it's not allowed. Anything beyond certain this. So I had to literally submit. I thought I won't be able to vlog now. How will I even tell you all everything? But then he said remove the tripod, keep it there, just take the camera, and then my God, it's so cold. I'm actually having a runny nose. So just keep the tripod there and then take the camera. So GoPro मैंने ले लिया, the tripod I just kept there. One more incident that I have to tell you. Today morning, my zip, while I was stuffing things, and how how it is in the morning, गड़बड़ में I stuffed things and my zip just came off. तो safety pin मैं घर पे ही रख दिया गया, जो मेरा बॉक्स है जिसमें safety pin. So security check के time she said why don't you close it? I said वो zip खराब हो गया, safety pin भी नहीं. She literally searched for 3 minutes. She was such a sweetheart. 3 minutes she searched. She found a safety pin, this safety pin, and then she gave it to me. And then I died. So good people exist करते हैं दुनिया में. So now we have to start climbing stairs. So we are going, we'll have to climb 4,000 steps I think. So we are climbing the stairs. फ्रॉम देयर वी केम until here. तो हम लोगों ने ये लिया था, उड़न खटोला लिया था until there, where Devi's temple is. From there, now we are climbing here to go to Dattatray's temple. Now we have climbed 2,500 steps, which is like 70%. We have to climb more, then we'll get to see the temple. So advice would be, you should be running at least 10 kilometers every day. Like you should be that fit to climb the entire 10,000 steps. 2,500 4,000 शायद हो भी जाए, not sure, but अगर पूरा climb करना, I feel at least 10 kilometers you should be able to run every day. Then you have that capacity to climb. So let's climb. We were sitting here for past 15 minutes. Now let's climb. Got down at around 12:15 and finally we are sitting here. We saw a stall. वहाँ हम लोगों ने चिप्स खरीदे थे तो पहले से, तो चिप्स, सोडा, ये नींबू पानी और फिर छाछ, ये सब पीते वी सैट हियर, आराम से बैठे, थोड़ा स्टेटस डाला इंस्टाग्राम पे, हाईली इम्पोर्टेंट, वो सब काम किया. एंड नाउ वील गेट डाउन और फिर निकल जाएंगे अभी यहाँ से. दत्त भगवान के मंदिर चले गए. एक्चुअली मंदिर के अंदर फोटोग्राफी अलाउड नहीं है. जैसे ही मतलब थोड़ा भी आगे आओ ना, द फोटोग्राफी इज़ नॉट अलाउड. इवन देवी के मंदिर के यहाँ पे फोटोग्राफी इज़ नॉट अलाउड. सो आई जस्ट क्लिक पिक्चर्स बाहर से. दैट्स इट. I have pictures for Devi's temple. Otherwise and दत्त भगवान के वहाँ पे तो बहुत ऊपर है, तो ये नहीं है, फोटोग्राफी दोनों तरफ अलाउड नहीं है. Now उतरना है. I wanted to see the caves. This is the 5th chas. Please tell me how many chases did you have? यहाँ की छाछ अच्छी लगती है, चीज़ खट्टा होता है. वो या सो हम लोग उतरेंगे अभी एंड देन वील हेड टू दिस थिंग. We'll go to the caves, but now I'm not sure if the caves are inside that fort and even that is under renovation. कैसा है? I'll go and let me check, or else we'll just get down and we'll just roam around the city and that should be it. So yeah, we'll just get down now. अभी चढ़ते वक्त I would say, okay, one good thing that I did is that, I don't know, unconsciously I did it. I carried dates. I carried grapes. So carry something like that, something which will give you energy. Because while climbing you need energy. So dates or maybe beetroot juice. So carry something like that and carry this thing. Carry those things and then you can climb easily. So chalo, let's get. It's 2:30. So initially, when we decided that we'll come here, we had decided we'll completely hike, and then we thought we'll completely hike. We'll not take the zip line, and that time we thought we'll go at 7 o'clock in the morning and we'll return at 3 p.m. So anybody who has such heroic thoughts as us should please keep that at home, because ऐसा नहीं होता. We took the zip line and we have come down at 2:30, and we made a couple of stops, but it was necessary. Actually it was necessary, because you get very tired. You have to eat something and then you're like, you've climbed so much, let's just consume thoda bahut nature. Then you sit there, then you update your status. All that is, I'm just brushing all that under the carpet, but yeah, you take a little bit of a breath when you reach there. So half a day is definitely consumed. Definitely half a day is consumed. Otherwise, if you're going to go by foot the entire thing, then count in an entire day. Like no matter how fast you go, an entire day has to be consumed. So yeah, we're just done now. Now we are heading back. So we have to walk again and to the Taleti until the Baki. तो उसमें भी अभी टाइम लगेगा. So let me go down and see what is remaining, like what all what is open, what is not under renovation and all, and then if there are any, then we'll go ahead and explore that. So yeah, let's get down first. So about food and all, you get many things. Super, you get nimbu pani, you get chas. Actually, after the Devi's temple, there's one shop. After that, you don't get anything for a very long time. Then post that, I think there is another shop. So if you want to buy something, if you've not got anything from home, buy it from the shop which is near Devi's temple. And yeah, from there Datta Mandir. After Datta Mandir also, if you climb a little more, there's another temple, but we didn't climb. We said okay, we'll just go from far. We prayed and we came back. So yeah, that is that. Carry a glass, carry water with you, and nothing else. Also, yeah, plastic. Please don't throw plastic anywhere near. I've seen people throwing plastic and all, so please don't throw plastic anywhere near, because nobody is going to clean. Like it is so difficult for anybody to clean, go to that height and clean. So please make sure that you all don't throw plastic and all. We carried our plastic and then we threw it in the dustbin. Anyways, plastic is not allowed. When it is written, plastic is not allowed. You can't eat. So if you're carrying chips or something and you eat, and then the remaining plastic, make sure you keep it in your bag, get it back, and then throw. Or the shopkeepers, they have that dustbin. You can throw it in the dustbin. When they dispose, they'll dispose it. That is only for the ones which the recycled plastic. They also use recycled plastic. So if you order something that will not be recycled, better carry it in the bag. Like we got those 7-Up and all that. We drank there. So 7-Up and all that we drank there, we got that back because I think it's not biodegradable. So we got that, and then we threw it in the dustbin nearby. So yeah, so let's get down, go to Taleti, and let's explore from there.